Have you ever had a moment where nothing is actually wrong, but it still feels like something is? Like there's this low level tension, this subtle sense that you should be fixing something, even when your life is relatively okay. That feeling, most people think it means something is off. But it doesn't mean that. It's just your brain not knowing what to do when there's no problem. Now, we've been trained our whole lives to live in reaction mode. School gives you problems to solve. Work gives you problems to solve. Even, excuse me, even entertainment is built around problems. So your brain gets used to, if I'm not solving something, I'm doing something wrong. So when things get quiet, you start thinking, shouldn't I be doing more? Am I falling behind? Is this really enough? Not because it's true, but because stillness feels so unfamiliar. So what if that feeling isn't a sign that something is wrong, but a sign that nothing is wrong, and your brain just isn't used to that yet? That changes everything because now you don't have to fix the feeling, you just have to recognize the feeling. So next time that feeling shows up, try this. Instead of following the thoughts, just say, nothing is wrong. My brain is looking for something to do. And don't rush to fill the space. Just sit in it for a few seconds longer than usual, because that space, that's where peace actually exists. You're not broken for feeling this way. You're just unused to stillness. Now, if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.